Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file and they're having trouble with a couple items. I'm looking at it in enhanced mode, and if he takes that and fills it in, he gets that right there. Well, it's filling in objects. So, but if we take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, we don't get that line. So I was just about to look at it under properties, and I've looked at it under wireframe, and that line's not really there. So what it is, and I just kind of by chance, if I move that out of the way versus moving this out of the way, there's a double line. And that's what's happening. It's trying to fill that in. So if we take it now, and I don't know, what is supposed to be black, what is supposed to be non, but see, now we don't get that mark. And the other part really isn't isn't a fill. So if that's what's supposed to be black, just the outline for the one I'm doing it for, I would take my virtual segment delete key and delete to make it all one, because I know he's going to export it, to make it all one piece. Just go through here with your virtual segment delete key. It's a little bit of time, but it's going to get in all the facets. I think that's it. Now, I don't think it'll do it. And see, it won't get them all in. It's filling in the inside of that. So let me just move that out of the way. What I would suggest is to select the saw blade, select the text, and then fill this in. So take the Smart Fill tool and just take it. I'm going to have to zoom in a little bit and just fill that in. And look at that. And then fill in the handle. And really, you could probably just grab that and fill it in. Now, I would strongly suggest taking it and removing the outline by right-clicking. You'll get a lot cleaner cut, laser engraving, whatever. That's a pretty cool logo. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and I know it'll help him. Thank you for watching.